Push. What up, what up? Yeah. This is what a ripe soursop look like on a tree, you see it? But you don't know, say, a bird do that, you know? Yeah. Soursop is also a bird fruit, you know? But that is what inside of a soursop look like, you see it? Yeah, man. Bird. Eat them off, you see it, ripe soursop. I come look earlier, this is ready for juice, you see, just see pretty. That's a ripe soursop, Jamaican ripe soursop, you see it? Yeah, man, you know about food other country out, found soursop looking up with a suffering soursop look when it ripe, then you see it, yeah, man, bird, eat it out, you see it? Show now to pick on my wheat bed too, you see it? Yeah, man, woodland, yeah, man, a plant up, man, you see it? Yeah, man, some pumpkin and cabbage over there, so, man, you see it? The plant and tree turn up pretty, yeah, so. But you are going, you know, this is what a wheat bed looks like. Yeah, I'm going to transfer the weed them from out there, so, you know, I'm planting when you want to plant them, you see it? That is what a weed look like, you see it? All of them the way you see is marijuana, aka weed. So you know, so I have to transform them, you see it, I have to plant them out. You see it, that that's a thing, man. Go plant them out up in a woodland there. You see it? Yeah, man, I say thing set, man. About being or something there. So I say, you see it, just make sure you like, share and subscribe, because you know the damn thing set. Many more to come, you see it? Yeah, man, sunrise thing up. The rain. You see it? Yeah, man, you know a Jamaican sunrise the back of the camera. You know the voice can't hide. You know ever have the marijuana in the hand. You know the damn thing set though. Yeah, man. Whoosh. Yeah, so over here so I'm gonna rise up to look at sunrise thing, you see it? Over here so all them look at sunrise video them are gonna start shot, you see it? Yeah, man. All of the cooking them and all of the things them, you know, man, you see it? So all of the visitors them over here so them are gonna link up, you know, you see it? Yes, man, see bad view there, they say to man, see Sundal shine, man, I want to you, man. When me dancing up, man, you see it? Yeah, man. Oh. Yeah, man, that is a weed bed, you see it? You saw us up way around this up on tree. Shady up star. But you know you go, a bird I eat it, so Father God like that same way though. Yeah, man, hold it more soursop tree in the place. You see it? Osh. I'm out.